what's going on? Nick here. So in this video, I want to share with you one of the most powerful tools you can use to build your list. That is SLO, self-liquidating offer. So what is that, right? So traditionally, if you want to build a list, that's what we're going to do, right? So we will build an opt-in page. Then we will send the subscriber to a thank you page, right? So this is the old way of doing things. The problem is, if you want to do that, you want to spend some time nurturing your list so that they can buy from you later. But what if you can monetize your subscriber right away at this page? Then you want to send them to a special offer, and this offer is what we call self-liquidating offer, which means this offer can help you liquidating your ad cost. So what do I mean by that? So for example, if you are buying ads and you are paying $1 per click, right? Then you get 100 clicks, right? So right now you get people to your page, and let's say you have 30% conversion rate. So you have 30 people see your offer. Then I would say there's one person buy the offer, and the offer is $100. Guess what? Right now you break even on the ad cost because you spend $100 on ad, but you make $100 back at the self-liquidating offer. So that's the power of self-liquidating offer, because right now you can keep on buying ad from all around the world because you can keep on spending money without worrying being broke, right? So this is so powerful, but the problem is self-liquidating offer is not easy to build. So you need to spend some time to come up with the offer and also optimize your page. So there are two ways you can do to create your SLO. The first one is you can create your own, right? So it's your own product. So the power of creating your own product is you can recruit affiliate to promote for you. So they are sending your offer to their list. So I would recommend you to build your own product because you can leverage other people's list. But if you don't have time, you can also promote affiliate offer, which means you promote other people's product and use that to earn money, right? So that's another options for you, right? So, but anyway, I would say that this one is so important because nowadays ad costs are like insane, right? So if you don't have a SLO, if you don't have a self-liquidating offer, it's really hard for you to keep on building your list. So that's why I recommend you to build your SLO. And if your SLO is working really well, you can even remove your opt-in page, which means you can send traffic directly to the offer if it makes sense, right? So that's the power of self-liquidating offer. So if you want to learn more about how you can build your own SLO, you can check the link below for some free training and resources. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.